working with state machine logic and inherited an FSM file from a developer. This format stores finite state machine definitions for various applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read and edit these finite state machine files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust FSM file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. FSM files are finite state machine definition files used by various applications including game engines, simulation tools, and software development frameworks. They store state definitions, transitions, trigger conditions, and action mappings, enabling structured logic representation for character behavior, workflow automation, and process modeling. FSM files typically use a text-based format such as XML JSON or proprietary syntax, storing states with unique identifiers, transition rules, with source and target states, event triggers, and action callbacks. The structure follows finite state machine theory, with explicit state and transition definitions for runtime execution. The preferred application for managing the FSM file is Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. To open this specific FSM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Visual Studio Code is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your FSM file is not opening yet, that is normal. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, opening in a text editor. Open the FSM file in Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or Sublime Text. Most FSM definition files use text-based formats, and the editor displays the state machine structure with syntax highlighting. Review states, transitions, and triggers directly to understand the logic encoded in the file. Next, loading in source application. Identify the application that uses the FSM file based on context. Common sources include Unity with Playmaker or game development frameworks. Open the file within the matching application's state machine editor to visualize the logic graphically and modify states and transitions through the visual interface. Finally, visualizing state diagrams. Use diagramming tools like draw.io or YED to create visual representations of the FSM logic. Translate states and transitions from the FSM file into a state diagram for documentation. Visual diagrams clarify complex state machines and support team understanding of system behavior. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.